Good morning, student. Today I am going to deal with you left para of English Reader, chapter 20, Three Little Kittens. So let us start this para. After that, mother came to the garden and saw that her kittens were near the walls with no cloth. She slapped them and taken them back to home. She told that my friends will arrive in a minute and you are not looking good at all. And she sent them upstairs, and when her friends arrive, she told them that the kittens were in bed, but actually they were not at bed, and all through the afternoon there were some extraordinary noise. Extraordinary means अजीब तरह की आवाजें आ रही थी. कहाँ से? Coming from upstairs, which disturbed the peaceful tea party. And guest said that what naughty kittens they are. उसके बाद उनकी मम्मी गार्डन में आई और देखी कि तीनों किटन्स वॉल के सामने खेल रहे थे बिना कपड़े पहने, तो वो तीनों को मारी और घर ले गई. फिर वो बोली मेरे फ्रेंड्स आते ही होंगे और तुम लोग कितने गंदे दिख रहे हो. उसके बाद उनकी मम्मी उन तीनों को ऊपर भेज दिया और जब गेस्ट आ गए तो उनकी मम्मी ने कहा कि वे तीनों सो रहे हैं, पर लेकिन वो तीनों बेड पर नहीं सो रहे थे. दोपहर होने तक ऊपर से बहुत अजीब सी आवाज आ रही थी और जो पीसफुल टी पार्टी था वो पूरा डिस्टर्ब हो गया. तब गेस्ट ने कहा कि कितने शरारती किटन्स हैं ये लोग. So now the explanation of this chapter is completed. Now come to question answers. Answer this question. Question number 1. Where and how did the three kittens usually play? Answer. The three kittens stumbled about the doorstep and played in the dust. Question number 2. Why did their mother call Mittens, Tom and Moppet indoors one day? Answer. Their mother called the kittens indoors to wash and dress them before the guest of her tea party arrived. Question number 3. What did she make them wear? Answer. She made them wear clean pinafores and elegant clothes. Question number 4. While they were in difficulties, there was a pit pat paddle pat, A number, who came when the kittens were in difficulties. Answer. 3 puddle ducks with little webbed feet came along road when the kittens were in difficulties. Question B. How did they come? Answer. They came marching. C number. What did they do that made the kittens laugh? Answer. One of duck picked up Tom's fallen hat and put it on. This made the kittens laugh. Question number 5. What happened to the kittens when their mother found them? Answer. The kittens were smacked and taken back to the house with their mother. Question number 6. What did their mother tell her friends the kittens were doing? What do you think they were actually doing? Answer. Their mother said that the kittens were in bed sleeping. They were actually playing upstairs. Now the question answer is completed. Come to exercise. Question number D. Complete the sentences with these words from the story. Here are some fill up and we have to fill these blanks with the help of these words. So let us fill this. Number 1. The princess looked lovely in an dash gown. In an answer is elegant gown. Question number 2. The boy was dash in his new shoes. The boy was uncomfortable in his new shoes. Number 3. She walked dash because the high heels. She walked unsteadily because of the high heels. Number 4. The naughty kitten broke dash branches of the tree. Answer. Several. The naughty kitten broke several branches of the tree. Number 5. There was an dash burst of light. There was an extraordinary burst of light. Number 6. Mother wanted dash in the house as she had a headache. Mother wanted peace in the house as she had a headache. Now the fill up is completed. Come to another question. Number E. Match the meanings with the words. Here we have to match these words with their meaning. Here are some meaning and here are some words. So let us start this question. Number 1. Fell down suddenly. Here while playing. So fell down suddenly here while playing. Fell down suddenly here while playing means tumbled. Match it. Number 2. Rubbed something hard in order to clean it. Meaning scrubbed. Number 3. A dress without a collar or sleeves. Meaning pinafores. Number 4. Repaired by stitching. Sewed. Number 5. Set one's foot on something. Trod. Number 6. Pants. Trouser. 7. Flowerless plant. Ferns. Now the matching is completed. Come to number F. Fill in the blanks with and, but, or. So here we have to fill the blanks with only 3 words. And, but, or. Number 1. Mittens, Tom, Dash, Moped were naughty little kittens. So here are 3 persons. So we have to use and. Number 2. their mother told them to stay clean. Dash, they went and lost their clothes. Answer, but. Number 3. You can wear a hat. Dash, a cap. So here is two things, hat or hat, cap. That's why I have written or. Now come to next question. Number 4. Tom lost his hat. Dash, brushed the buttons of his trouser. And यहाँ पर 2 sentences है, इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ and पुट किए हैं. Number 5. Their mother said they were in bed. Dash, actually they were playing. Their mother said they were in bed, but actually they were playing. उनकी मम्मी क्या बोली कि वे लोग सो रहे हैं, बट लेकिन वे लोग क्या कर रहे थे, वे लोग खेल रहे थे. This question is completed. Now come to another question. Number Z. Choose the correct words from the box to fill in the blanks. Then read these sentences that tell us the position of the bird. We can see that here are some pictures, and in this picture there is a bird and a box, and in every picture we can see that bird has another position like this. Now start. Number 1. The bird is on the box. Here we have to fill on. यहाँ हम लोग on क्यों लिखे हैं, क्योंकि ये ऊपर खड़ी है, ये बर्ड इसके ऊपर खड़ी है, इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ on लिखेंगे. Number 2. The bird is dash the box in. ये बर्ड कहाँ है, इस बॉक्स के अंदर है, तो हम लोग क्या यहाँ लिखेंगे, in. The bird is in the box. Next, number 3. The bird is above the box. ये बर्ड क्या कर रही है, ये बर्ड इसके ऊपर उड़ रही है. इस बॉक्स में above लगा क्योंकि इसके ऊपर उड़ रही है, और इसमें हम लोग on लिखे क्योंकि इसमें ये खड़ी है, इसमें खड़ी है. 4. The bird is dash the box. ये बर्ड कहाँ है, इस बॉक्स के नीचे, तो हम लोग क्या यहाँ लिखेंगे, अंडर. The bird is under the box, क्योंकि ये बॉक्स के नीचे है. ओके, now this chapter is also completed. Thank you.